Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel TechWise Rahul. I know it's been a long since my last upload and I have missed this community. Life got a little busy, but I'm officially back and starting 2026 this year's with new video content which will be very helpful for your career. Today I'm going to discuss how I cleared the KCSA certification exam which was provided by the Linux Foundation. First, I'm going to share the exam overview for this KCSA exam, and after that I will discuss what are the key takeaway from my experience for clearing the certification exam. In the last, I will share some tips and tricks to clear this certification exam. The first thing which I just wanted to share that my aim was to clear the CKS exam, that is Certified Kubernetes Security Specialist exam. So in the last year during the Black Week Friday sales, what I have observed that the KCSA certification was available in the form of bundle along with CKS exam. When I searched over an internet, I didn't found much related to any course or practice test for this KCSA exam. So I was in dilemma. Either I proceed to purchase this bundle or go with my aim, that is CKS certification exam. But when I have read the exam overview for this KCSA exam and the CKS, I found there is a familiarity of the content. So what I have done my analysis for the exam overview for the KCSA, that is Kubernetes Cloud Native and Security Associate certification, that the content is a foundation for the CKS exams. The things which is required to clear this KCSA exam is common for the CKS exams. Even though KCSA is multiple choice questions, but CKS is a hands-on exam. Now let's discuss what are the things that is required to clear this KCSA exams. As you can see here, I have cleared this Kubernetes and Cloud Native Security Associate certification the last month or on 28th of December. Okay, so now you can see this Kubernetes and Cloud Native Security Associate certifications. When you purchase this exam, you will have 12 months to schedule and take the exams. When you purchase this exam, you will have one exam free retake as well, which you can attempt within a year. And let's discuss the domain and competency knowledge which will be gonna require to clear the certification. The first thing is that which is required for you should have an aware and overview of cloud native security, which has 14% of weightage in this exam. The second thing is we have to knowledge of Kubernetes cluster component securities, that is etcd, kubelet, kube API server, kube proxy. You should know that how we can secure those Kubernetes cluster component. The third is Kubernetes security fundamentals. The fourth is Kubernetes threat model, which has 16% of weightage. The second last we would have the platform security, and the last would be the compliance and security framework, which has 10% of weightage. When you clear the certification exam is valid for 2 years, and as I have mentioned, it includes one free retake as well, and it is a multiple choice questions exam within a time stamp of 90 minutes. One of the most important thing, if you are preparing for this Cube Astronaut badge or Golden Cube Astronaut, so this certification is also required as one of the prerequisite for it. One of the key takeaway what I have observed for preparation for this certification is that over the internet, when you search for this exam, how to prepare, you will not find much more content about it. CodeK Cloud has a specific course for this KCSA certification, which is very useful for me to clear this certification. Along with this certification preparation journey, you will get one mock exam as well in CodeK Cloud. After completing your preparation, all the courses and modules, in the last you will have one mock test, which I did and found very useful to assess my knowledge that where I was during my preparation journey. And after that, when I just thought, okay, because this is the multiple choice question, so I don't want to take any risk and go for free exam retake, I went to the Udemy and I try to find it out that if someone has posted or published any mock test practice test for this. Then I found one of the mock practice tests for this KCSA exam. I will paste that video and the link for that Udemy course in my comment section of this video. Okay, you will get. And in the last, I just want to share that one of the important key takeaway for this clearing the certification is the questions are very tricky, the words which is being used, because as I said that this is the security aspect of a Kubernetes cluster and the component. You need to be very careful while reading the question, just to see where it is mentioned not always least secure. Okay, so these are the three things which I have observed, is that when this words is being used in the question, the aspects of the question is changed a lot. Okay, so read the questions carefully, practice it, and try to do some hands-on. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.